This here at the Shouldice Hospital after my hernia surgery. Wonderful, love the place. Staff is excellent. Not much I can say. I'm recovering, healing pretty good. Just go take a little walk, see the property, and yeah, got my surgery maybe 10 hours ago. And here is my first walk. It's wonderful. Wow. Yeah, surgery was pretty good. Brought me in a pre-op room, waited half an hour. Right after that, nurse came, went to the OR room, and it felt like 2 minutes, I was done. I was hopping the wheelchair right to my room, and yeah, recovery started from there. It did hurt a bit, it's normal, but you have to walk, exercise, and you have to push yourself. Obviously not too extreme, but just to walk, you don't become stiff. Take some painkillers, and yeah, that's it's a lovely thing about Shouldice. As I said, there's not a place I would go except here to get it done properly. Half of my staples are gone today. Next probably tomorrow, and I'll be on my way home Monday. See my kids and family and everybody. My little chihuahua, my fishies, and yeah. Lots of good people here. You'll meet a lot of folks, a lot of people coming from different countries, different parts of the world. It's amazing. They encourage everybody before your surgery. They'll tell you how it is, so you'll be informed. Nothing to fear, nothing to worry that much, and I think that's my room right there. 1/2 window on top, that's my room. I can see that balcony. Such a beautiful view, wow. It's a little chilly today. Wow. This is better than I thought. It's amazing. Lots of trees. I can imagine in the summer how it's beautiful here. Just to come and sit after your surgery, relax, listen to birds. Wow. I think that's the staff parking in the back. Gone. And I think I'm gonna head back. I'm not even quite sure where am I yet, but I'll try to explore more deep later on. Little creeks they have there in the back, check it out.